So, hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph, that's me. Please do not mind any of this because this is not my normal style video. However, we are doing the beauty room, okay? And gosh, I took on a lot and it's coming, but it's coming so slowly. In today's video, as you can see by the thumbnail, we do have the Macy's Beauty Box. Holy moly. And yes, I am filming my advent calendars. I don't want to move the camera because you will see what they are. And I don't really want you to see that just yet. Can you see? Nope. There's the ring light. That's why I couldn't film over there. We're just going to do a quick unboxing really fast. But if you are new here, allow me to say hello. Welcome to the family. And if you are returning, guys, thank you so much for being a part of this family and making this family what it is. Again, as you can see in the thumbnail, we are unboxing the Macy's Beauty Box. I also have a giveaway prize that I must go over. Yay. If you want to see what this is all about, keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay, guys, so yes, I'm sorry if the camera's crooked. This is not going to be my style video, guys. Like I said, I was handed this box this morning right before I went to get into the shower and wash this mop of hair and get ready to resume the filming that I was in the middle of last night before I had to go to sleep because I was just so tired. Anywho, Macy's Beauty Box. But first, a word from our sponsor. No, just kidding. But first, from Mandy Noel. If you guys don't know her, I will put her channel up here and link it down below, guys. Wait till you see. Ready? This is what I won from Mandy's, well, it used to be Mandy's Makeup Adventures, but now she has changed the channel name to Mandy Noel. And this is a giveaway she had for the Wilderness palette from Beauty Bay. Now, I think I did show you guys this very quickly during my haul video, but we're going to take an up-close and personal look. This is how it comes in the carton. It does have some information on the back. Can I read this? Probably not. Let's see. Reconnect with Mother Nature with the Wilderness palette, inspired by all the rich earthly tones, leafy greens, and molten shades that nature has offered us. This 20 shade palette features wearable hues whilst, like that word, still allowing you to explore your creativity. Featuring the same Beauty Bay formula, which I had no idea what it was like until I got this palette, that you know and love. Every shade is packed full of pigment, is super blendable, and lasts all day without fading. And I will tell you that is absolutely 100% true. So that is the back of the carton. Here we do have the palette. Sorry guys, the sun is shading everywhere. So here we have the palette. I don't want to, without blinding you there, I'll put that down. The shades, guys, as you can see, I was already in this palette. I played all with it. I created a look, which you will see later on in a different video. I go over the shades and everything. But I just wanted to say a great big thank you shout out to her because until I got this palette, I had no idea what Beauty Bay shadows were like. And since trying it, I can't wait to get my hands on some more. Although your girl is on a no bye-bye for a minute. I need to recoup from Christmas and all that and Black Friday and whatnot. So yes, this is the palette. This is what it looks like on the front. When you turn it over, it does have the same writing that has on the packaging. So it does come with a shade protector somewhere around here, as I always lose them. Oh no, here it is. And yeah, I can just tell you that this is a really good palette, guys. Holy moly, the shades perform like a dream. Guys, if you haven't checked her channel out, please go see her. She is so real, so funny, and she knows her stuff. Let me tell you, I learn something every time I watch her do a tutorial. She's amazing. She's just amazing. She's a person who doesn't apologize for who she is, and I love that. You know this channel is all about that. You know what I mean? Being yourself and being comfortable in your own skin. Please go show her some love. Tell her I sent you. She's trying to get to her 1,000, and I'm trying to help her out as well. But this is really what I want to say. Thank you to her. Mandy, thank you so very much. Girl, message me. Hopefully we can do that collab together. We did talk about it, and yeah, I'm excited. So again, thank you so much because, yeah, you turned me on to another brand that is oh so great. Now, okay guys, Macy's Beauty Box, here she is. If you don't know about Macy's Beauty Box, it is $15.60 with the tax. Shipping is free. you get, most of the time, deluxe and sample. You get a full size every now and then, which I do think we have in this box. Yes, we do. I will tell you, I somehow, I don't know, I guess I didn't take my finger off pause after showing you the palette, and I began to unbox this, and yeah, there was no footage. So we got to do it over. Real life beauty over here. Things happen. We deal with it, right? Okay, so it does show you in here. It gives you a little rundown of the products. I will show you. Sorry for the shadowing and all that. I do have the light over here. I had to move it because the sun went in. I don't know what's going on. It's in and out, in and out. Anywho, yeah, so this month we get 5 products, and you always get some kind of little card that will tell you like some percentage off, $5, $10, depending on, you know, whatever month. And you can use it for either the items full size in the box or a beauty item. And I usually wait till something's on sale and then I go ahead and I use that if I have it. So again, it will give you the full size value. My only pet peeve with this subscription is that it doesn't give you what the full size is. Like, it doesn't tell you the amount. Is it 1 ounce, 2 ounce? It doesn't say that. It just says the full size is this much. But they neglect to put that full size amount in there. So they're telling you, if you were to go off the full size and take the products and divide the ounces and add them all up together in here and everything else, you would get a value of right here, $83.24. That's what they say. Sometimes I question that. Everything does come in a little tamale. Like I said, I had already opened this, but before we do that, let's go ahead and do the one thing that was in the box. And there it is. Holy moly. It is a full-size product. And guys, I have tried this brand before. I actually have another one that is a different, like, I don't know, combination. This one is lemon and pepper that comes in the Macy's Beauty Box, lemon and pepper right there. And this one I had, it was a try and review opportunity that Try Sampling sent me, apple and banana. And guys, as you can see, I use this every morning, every night when I'm doing like my makeup. I take my makeup off with a cleansing balm, and then I go over with the micellar water. Now I have transferred half of this bottle into my old, the Tarte micellar water that has the pushy thing on it, you know. This is the one that came in the box. This is lemon and berries, which, oh my gosh, the apple one and banana one that I already have smells divine. Now, I do know with fruit, you really want to use a micellar water, especially if you're using any kind of retinol when you wash your face in the morning. You want to try and cleanse it with some kind of AHA or fruit extracts. It really gets like the nitty gritty off. So I am excited about this. I have another one now. Let's see what it says about this. So I'm going to put my glasses on and see if I can read through the camera. This should be interesting. Oh gosh. It's lemon and berry micellar water. Ah, the sweet relief of melting your makeup off at the end of the day. Add in some naturally brightening toxin-free ingredients plus cruelty-free and vegan certification to make it even sweeter. $36, which is not bad for a gigantic bottle. So this is a full size. At least it's the same size as my full size. So there you have it. Okay. Absolutely happy about that. I'm super excited to try this one as well. I wish I could smell it, but yes, it has a seal on it. So let's unroll the tamale one more time. Oh my gosh. I do enjoy my Macy's Beauty Box. It does come with a lot of paper, guys. Like a lot. Okay. So here we have the products. Let's go with this one first. Okay. What is this one? This is the Lovina. This is Blue Butterfly Stem Cell Deep Hydration Mask, which your girl, you know I'm hecka dry, so I'm liking that. What does it say about this one? This arm is very, very tired. Okay, so this is the Lavish Skincare Blue Butterfly Stem Cell Hydration Mask. Let's see. It says, meet the most impactful assembly of skincare powerhouses. Seawater and butterfly bush have the rich blend of minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants. Yes, all that in one bottle. Okay. To help cell regeneration. The result, detoxified and rejuvenated skin. $82 is the full size. But again, we don't know how big the full size is. It says apply a thin layer on your face for 15-20 minutes of magic. Okay. There you have that. And let me see if I can open this up. Holy moly, guys. Look at that color. It's so cool, right? It's so cool. It has a, I won't say a bad smell. It's not bad. It's just a different smell. It's very, there's no, I don't think there's fragrance in this. I would say no. It's just the ingredients that are in there that gives off their own aroma or scent. So there's that. I'm excited to try that. Oh, I am. And it's a very pretty color. Maybe we'll do a mask on Wednesday or something and using that. That's a pretty color, right? Okay, so moving on. We do have the Shea Yaleen. Oh, that packaging. Coconut Melon Rich Shea Body Cream. Okay, so it is ethical, nourishing, and sustainable. That sounds like it's going to smell really, really good. Okay, so let's read about it in here. It does say, and I quote, take your skin on a tropical vacay complete with one and only miracle moisturizer, Shea Butter. This hydration star is packed with nourishing vitamins plus delicious scent of coconut and melon. Are you ready to stock up? $20. So it just says slather all over your body. That is the tip. So a full size, which we, again, don't know. I don't even know how much this is. Does it say? It's not, it doesn't say how much it is. That's kind of weird, right? I would have guessed this would be almost an ounce or perhaps a half ounce maybe. Anyway, there's that. Okay. So the next item is this, and this is, let's see, Rucker Roots. This is GTC, stands for ginger, turnip, and carrot. Pretty cool. Curly cream. I'm all down for that. For all curl types. Okay. What does it say? Improves curl pattern, defines curls, and moisturized strands, which I need so much. This is 0.75 ounces or 22.18 mils. So there you have that. Now, let's open her up and see what it is. Okay. So it's very nice, actually. Okay. So there you have that. So that's what we're looking at as far as like a cream. It's just a little guy. Again, maybe like a deluxe sample. Put that in your bag for a one-time use. Okay, and then hold please while I open this package up. Okay, so we had a little accident, I think, because the inside of the bag is wet. Yeah, oh so wet. My hands are wet. It's the whole bottle. Oops. The whole bottle is open. This is butter. AHA BHA Rose Water Toner. So this is, what kind of skin concerns do you have? You're in luck because this purifying toner works for them all. Well, that's a big claim. Rose water and aloe. I love aloe. And I don't know about the rose water. I'm a little rosed out, but I haven't used rose in a while, so I may try that. It says refresh your complexion while vitamin E nourishes and protects your skin barrier. Although, I don't know, vitamin E kind of makes me break out, I think. I'll try it and see, like on a patch of my skin. So there you have it. I'm assuming this would be a sample size or a deluxe. Perhaps it's a full size. How much is the full size, did it say? $19. I'm thinking this maybe will be a full size, but it's awful little guy. I don't know how much. Maybe, I don't know. I would have to look into it. I'll go on the website. Perhaps I can edit it in here somewhere. But it is leaking, so a lot came out of there, and it is really wet. It does have this little cap on here, see? Look, let me see if I can get it up. Yeah, see? But it doesn't help it from coming out because it's all over the place. But okay, they tried. Okay, and the last thing in the box, guys, is we did get a bag this month. And it's a cute bag. Now, hold on. I'll go ahead and open it up. So there you go, guys. It does come. It's like a canvasy. I want to say like a canvasy material. It's very cute, and it's very big. It has a little zipper, very nice zipper, actually. It's very well made, I will tell you that. And it has a little lining. It's like a weird material lining, though. It's not like I don't know. It doesn't feel like it's a separate lining, but it does feel like you could wipe it. So that's cool. Oh my gosh. So I think everything would fit in there. It sure does look like it will. Sorry for the shaky camera. I'm holding it with my bad arm. So yeah, I think everything would fit in there. All right, guys, so let's recap. You get a full size of the micellar water, which I'm very excited about. And then I want to say this is maybe a deluxe travel size from it's the Butter Rose Water and Aloe Toner. You get the Rucker Roots GTC hair cream. You do get this really bougie, expensive mask, which is oh so electric blue, and I cannot wait to use it. And then you get the body cream along with the bag. So there's the whole bag in its entirety. So let me know, what do you think of the Macy's Beauty bag or / box for the month of February? Let me know down below in the comment section. Do you get this bag? What's your favorite product? Are you on the wait list? Did you get off the wait list? Give me all the details down below. I always love reading your comments. Also, if you're not aware, please, I have a Eyescream Beauty entire subscription box to give away for the month of January. That was last month's box. I did get 2 of them, so 1 is going out to you guys because Eyescream Beauty was so gracious enough to put me on their PR list. And again, I cannot thank them enough. So as long as, you know, I'm purchasing my subscription and they keep me on the list, I will be able to do that giveaway for you guys moving forward. And I'm oh so grateful. Also, I do have my Jeffree Star giveaway. If you're not aware of that, that will be the video, I believe, before this one. And guys, the advent calendars, I wish I could show you a sneak peek of that table, because that is why I'm not over there, because everything is laid out on the table. I was last night, got done. I didn't put anything away. So I have 2 of the boxes filmed. 1 is halfway edited. And I figured, you know, this came to me. I said, in the morning, just a little while ago, actually. So let's just go ahead and get it up onto the waves. And then I could go back to filming today and then get that 3rd box done and then edit a video. Hopefully for tomorrow, I'll have it up for you guys. I am trying my best. It is so much fun, but I will tell you this. I now see what's in those 2 advent calendars. And if that's indicative of what's coming for the rest of them, boy, oh boy, are we in for a good time. I'm so excited for you guys to see. And again, I am doing my best to get it up. It will be here, I promise you. Who said we cannot have Christmas in February? No one, because we could do what we want over here. Because this is real life beauty. Things happen and we roll with it, right? So, okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and close out the video. Like I always say in all my videos, please, if you're going through something, don't stuff it. You know, talk about it, share about it. Grab a loved one, grab a stranger. I mean, heck, hit me up. I'm always available over on IG and I will make time for you guys. Also, if you're asked to listen, oh my gosh, please say yes, because you could absolutely help someone. You definitely can, just by letting them vent. You know, that could clarify things for them. And like I always say, guys, in this crazy mixed up world, to all my loved ones all across the globe, please try and stay safe in everything you do. Until the next one, see ya.